Good afternoon, and welcome to another ROFFS weekly ocean conditions update for the Gulf of Mexico for this week of Monday to Tuesday, October 3rd to the 4th, 2022. I'm going to keep it short and sweet this week, just give a little bit of an update on the conditions after the passing of Hurricane Ian. I'd like to first send our thoughts out to clients and friends we have in the West Coast and Central Florida who've been affected by the storm. If you look over here towards the Fort Myers area, you'll see all this brownish and greenish water coming off of the coast here, covering out 10, 20, 30, 40 fathoms, 180, 240 feet. A lot of dirty green water due to all the runoff from all the rains from the storm. Some of it's even moving up towards the Florida Middle Grounds and towards the area southeast of Cape San Blas. Also of note, you can see the large clockwise rotating loop current eddy over here, centered southwest of the dump site, southeast of the Green Canyon. You can see this water wrapping all the way around it. It's fully detached from the loop current, which is over here. The loop current is pushing a little bit further north, totally separated from this eddy. Good thing is there's some secondary eddies in here and here, counterclockwise rotating and a clockwise rotating eddy in here, which is pulling some water off of the loop current up into the Lloyd's Ridge, into Atwater Valley, southwest of the Double Nipple, and then northeastward now up towards the steps over to the Soto Canyon and in towards the area between the Nipple and the unexploded ordnance off of Pensacola and Mobile. Due to the loop current pushing further up, a little bit further north, and these secondary eddies, you are getting some cleaner blue to blended blue water in these areas. In the northeastern Gulf of Mexico, the water is now cleaner than it's been in at least a couple of months now. They're suggesting some decent fishing should be going on into October and approaching November, Thanksgiving. Still really good over southwest of the Delta towards the dump site, towards the Green Canyon along the edges of the loop current eddy. Nice blue water. Further west, over the rigs, towards the flower gardens, still a lot of nice clean blended blue to blue water, being helped in by this counterclockwise eddy here, a clockwise rotating eddy that's west-southwest of the Green Canyon. Further west off of Aransas, Brazos Santiago Pass, you got a big counterclockwise rotating eddy to the south of the Texas-Mexico border. On the northeastern side of it, all the water is moving north, pushing up towards the Texas Canyon, Colt 45. You do also have some secondary eddies here off of Brazos Santiago Pass, also here southeast of Aransas. That's pushing some nice blended blue to blue water in Baker's Rock, Baker's Rigs, Falcon's Nest, over to East Breaks, and then over here towards Texas Canyon, Colt 45, and inshore to about 40 fathoms. So overall, I mean, looks better than it's looked. The Western Gulf still a lot of clean water. Looks nice. Good areas to fish. Southwest of the Delta still looks good with the loop current eddy, and the northeastern Gulf, other than the area off of the west coast of Florida, it's affected by the runoff from Hurricane Ian. In the northeastern Gulf, conditions are improving. Water is cleaning up a little bit, and fishing should be decent into October and hopefully November. That's about it for this week. We'll try and come at you again the beginning of next week, depending on conditions. Hopefully they stay nice and clear out there. In the meantime, you can call the office 321-723-5759 to order. Our hours are now Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for the fall and the winter. If we are not open, you can always go on our website, www.roffs.com, and order 24/7. And do not forget to follow us on our social media channels on Facebook and Instagram at ROFFS Fishing for frequent updates, and our subscribe on our website to our ROFFS newsletter, which goes out every other Wednesday. It'll be going out next Wednesday, October 12th, and it goes out every other Wednesday. That's about it for this week. Talk to you again next week. Safe and successful fishing, and have a good weekend. Thank you.